To reduce PDF's file size without losing quality is quite simple. Here you can see I have a PDF of 20 MB, and if I open it, it is something like this. And now if I want to compress it, just close it, go and open up any browser. It's completely free. And here type in for compress PDF, and I love PDF. Hit enter. So this is completely free website. Just go and open it. Select the PDF. Select the large PDF for which you want to reduce the file size, and there would be no quality loss. Just go and open it. Now this recommended compression is really good, but even if you want to compress it more, you can go for this. But it is really already really good. Click on compress. Now you can simply click on download compressed. You can see from 20 MB, it is now 133 MB. And here it is. If I go and open it up, you can see the quality is the same. There has hardly been any difference. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to reduce the PDF file size without losing quality. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.